Hello everyone.
Hello again.
Welcome to the MattiePP channel. We're glad you're coming to see it watch the video.
Come to see us again going places.
Watch people think hi.
Hello.
Hello. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Today we're gonna go to Universal's Islands of Adventure. I said it right this time.
You got it.
And
I mean, this is the first time we tried recording this.
only the fourth, fifth, sixth time. I don't know.
It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine.
It'll be fun. So we're gonna try and ride some rides, do a little bit of construction updates, and we're gonna probably ride the new Harry Potter coaster, this time trying to film it. Last time we got on it, I didn't turn on the GoPro.
Hagrid Express!
Yeah, it's gonna be Hagrid Express.
Don't know the name of the ride. Can't say it.
Very long. Hagrid Express. Is the
Hagrid Express.
Right. Oh, and a shout out to Eric for the great haircut. Thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate it. All right, guys.
You're looking sharp.
Thank you.
Your camera ready.
Yes.
You're gonna be a star.
All right, guys. We'll see you in the parks, okay?
See you there.
Bye. As you can see, guys, the front entrance is really slow. We're gonna go ahead and get in pretty quick. Just so you know, if you ever need guest services, if you're at the front gate of Islands of Adventure, it's actually located to the right. Here. So today the park will be open until 10 p.m. We're here at 5. It's gonna be nice. All right.
We made it!
We made it!
Yeah!
It's exciting. All right, so we're gonna head over to the Hagrid Express.
Hagrid Express.
That'll be fun. So we'll see you guys on the ride. Alright, so come out here for a little construction update. So you can see over there the castle. Everything looks kind of like torn out. You can see a lot of trees have been taken down over there, especially along the side of Jurassic Park area. It's these little guys. Yeah, these guys right here. The Dr. Seuss ones, like sitting in the pond. I don't think I've ever seen this before. Have you?
Nope.
Looks like a little cute little thing. This is a submarine. Something interesting. Something new I find every time I come to Universal.
Right.
Something just insane. Never saw that too. So this up here. This right behind us is Mythos. So it's a good restaurant actually.
Yeah, delicious.
Right behind us. So I'm going to leave a thing below and a little link up here, so if you want to check out the video, we were in that. It was pretty cool. I liked it. This is another entryway to the new Jurassic Park world. You can really tell, like, this used to be just a regular bridge, everything with like trees. It's all gone. It's all ripped down because right behind all this stuff is actually going to be a roller coaster track they put in.
So
we are not going to get on that ride.
yeah. Hagrid Express is kind of a hot mess express right now. So.
Yeah, definitely.
That'd be a solid no for now.
I think we're probably gonna just get a drink.
I mean, if you want to.
Yeah, I do.
I guess I can have one too.
Okay, let's go do that. Now, we decided we were going to drink again.
I know, shocker, right?
Cheers.
Cheers.
So we're over at the.
I believe so. Based on the hog head behind the bar, I'm gonna go with you. That's right.
Yeah, that one's good. The bartenders here are really cool. They try to keep up with the theme and try to keep in the world of Harry Potter. So that's probably that little clip you saw before with the animated box. It's really cool. I don't know. I get used to that bartending. Like, oh, panic. I mean, I guess
It would throw me off because it does make noise. So I'd probably ignore it for a while, then eventually be like, wait, what?
Yeah. Right. Well, maybe we'll see you on another ride. Who knows?
Yeah, who knows what we're gonna do.
First thing coming up, we noticed is all the trees missing behind this Jeep. Used to be full of trees, and now that they have a Ford.
Oh, I know where we're at. Oh, I know where we're at now.
Blocking up all this way. Again, this is all blocking up this area because they're going to be working on the new roller coaster to be installed for Jurassic World. Over here too, you start to notice all these trees are missing. Especially where that T-Rex used to be, coming through the trees.
There's a new T-Rex now.
Yeah. Ooh, it's a dinosaur.
Ew, a dinosaur.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
Again, this whole area it's crazy like how much it's changed. All covered in trees. Now it's a bunch of walled up areas.
Ooh, Jurassic hot dogs. Like they served in olden times, back the dinosaur ages.
We're gonna go ahead and get on Popeyes Bilge-Rat Barges.
Yeah.
This will be also our first time to ever be on it, so we're gonna get wet.
No, the worst.
No. Well, I'll show you what it looks like. Oh boy, it's gonna be fun.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
It's a water ride. I really hate being wet too.
That's the only thing I hate too.
Yeah.
Really,
That's the one thing I'm worried about. My shoes being wet.
Yeah!
God.
Keep your shoes up. Keep your shoes up. Or you'll be squishing the rest of the
Making
day.
great decisions right now. Yeah!
Hold on tight. Hold on my arm. Hold on my arm.
Kind of fun.
Nice lazy river. So relaxing.
Oh no, there's a waterfall. We're going through it. We're going through it.
Waterfall, 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 waterfall.
Here we go.
Yeah!
Oh, God.
That's why I didn't shower today.
I was like, why?
Yeah!
Oh, I got wet.
Whoa, whoa.
Like a drowned rat.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, get ready. It's gonna be us. It's gonna be us. No.
Kai, are you okay?
Yeah, no.
Aren't my kids cute? Yeah. Slushies and a water ride.
We're all gonna get wet now.
Yeah! One more time! Yeah!
This guy doesn't hold back at all.
Oh, everybody gets a turn.
My shoes are pretty dry.
Yeah, nope, not so much. It's fine.
Hold on to your bar.
Yeah, I didn't put them high enough.
Pretty cool.
It's gonna get wet. It's gonna get wet.
Oh, here's another one.
Of course. I bought an extra evening to the park today.
Gotta go fast!
Oh my god. They keep this camera dry.
Yeah, it's an impossible dream. Popeye Express. Yeah!
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Now we all know why the liners are short.
Yeah.
I mean, how relaxing and refreshing.
No, I'm not doing this again.
I feel fresh.
So you're wondering if you're gonna get wet. You're gonna get wet on this ride.
Popeye Express.
Popeye Express.
Yeah, everything express.
Everything is express.
That's right.
Okay. All right, ride review. How many stars out of 5?
Ooh, I'm gonna go with 4.
4?
Okay, I can't hand out 5s all willy-nilly all the time. I had a lot of fun though.
3,
Okay.
because I hate water rides.
I loved it.
I mean, if I'm wearing something that's okay, yeah, that's fine. But not a huge fan of water rides, so.
I don't care. I embrace the chaos. It's fun.
Yeah. So this is where we went on. A lot of fun.
Basically guaranteed to get soaked.
Absolutely. So I am gonna go see if we can dry off somehow. Don't know. I think we're just gonna walk around. Maybe we can dry off that way.
Yeah.
We looked at the dryers and it's, we can dry off.
Yeah, they're mad.
It's hot out here. So.
Walking is free.
True. Alright, we are a little bit wet.
Still.
We have our drinks.
It's tradition.
It is.
Don't want to upset your ancestors or nothing.
Right. But so far, we've only ridden 1 ride.
Wait times are too
We
wild
haven't
right now.
achieved anything. It's July, so of course, wait times are extravagant. Hopefully, it will slow up in the next few weeks. We'll probably do some more rides. We might try Universal tonight. I don't know just yet. Maybe.
Fill it out. See what happens.
Alright guys, so we actually didn't go to any of the rides.
Yeah.
We kind of came home and took a shower and we're like, tired, you know, we were wet and kind of gross. And,
Yeah. It's time to clean up and call it a day.
yeah. Well, so we're going to go ahead and sign out and say bye to you guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you're subscribed to the channel. And if you like me, go ahead and leave a like down below if I like that. All right,
I
guys.
like you. You're pretty neat.
Yay, I'm neat. Yay.
What a swell fella.
Yay. Okay, great. Okay, guys, so we'll see you next time. All right?
Bye.
You meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried.